Hey guys, it's Jared here to record a trade recap. Took two trades today. One I'm very proud of, one I'm not proud of at all. So let's jump right in. The not proud of trade is right at the open here on LXRX. So here we go. This is the daily chart, and you see the price was up here. It took a big jump down here in August, been trading around here, and I just totally misread this daily. I said, well, it gapped up, so it's going to create a lot of institutional interest and everything, and we're going to push up, and we're definitely going to get to this 50 MA today at the $3 mark. But I was way wrong, and what I should have seen was it's been consolidating for a long time, so lots of people probably took long positions here. It jumped up and there was profit taking, so totally misread the daily. But what I saw live, again, I was very confident about the $3 mark. It started hot, so I went long. It pulled back. I said, I like that. I'll take it again because I saw it. This 9 MA here held, and then it started to die on me, and I realized it around here that it didn't look like it was going to work out, but I was stubborn and I let it drop on me and I got stopped out. So terrible trade, just overconfident in my assessment of the daily chart, and I really shouldn't have been confident because the daily chart screams profit taking. Play was the trade I was happy with. Play actually gapped way down. And then if you look on the daily, it really it filled in the gap real nicely. But if you see what I actually saw in this trade was it started really nice, started above the 50 MA on the 5. We had a nice harmonious chart on the 1, 5, and 15. It was above all of the moving averages and all of them were trending up. The 1 minute chart looks amazing. And I really didn't even start watching it till I happened to catch it right at this doji candle. And it just really didn't have a lot of momentum, it seemed like, to carry downward. It seemed like it was being held up pretty well. So I was watching it, and I was really reading the tape a lot because I wanted to see this start to print green, and that's when I decided I wanted to get in. So over here, watching the tape here, it was right below the 40 level. It was holding well, and finally, boom, started to really print green, so I jumped in right here with a stop loss below this little consolidation level, so a fairly tight stop. Went up, we busted through this 40.27 level on the 5 minute chart, which was the 50 MA on the daily, took one out there, took one out just above the 200 MA on the 5, and then I really thought 41.56 area was about as much as we were going to get out of this, and I went out here. It did actually get closer to $42, so this last partial I could have been more patient on that, but I'm a pretty impatient trader, so this is just how I end up playing these, and I'm trying to work on that. But really great trade for me. I got probably 5. I think I got 4 R's on this trade, more than made up for my boneheaded trade right at the open. So it was a good day for me. Hopefully you guys traded well as well, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the chat.